Yeah, of course, I get it. I was also there in your situation. It's actually scary to try something new, especially when you already have a stable job and you love your job, right? But I want to remind everybody that nothing changes if nothing changes. So if there is, I'd say, a small voice inside of you saying that, there must be more than this that could probably give you more time, same income or maybe more, and then more time, you have to listen to that because that voice is not there by accident. You don't need to jump all in right away like we did when we started the business because we were so fast. I knew this was the right business for us. So when I've watched the webinar, I asked my husband to watch it. Then we watched together. I think we watched it like 3 or 4 times. And then I said, no, this is it. We have to start. And then I think it took us just only 1 week to process everything. And then we, launch our business, right? In 2 weeks' time, we had our websites up and running, all because of that comprehensive training that we do. In this business, you can start this on the side, just like I did in the beginning. Because when we first started the business, I was still working full time. I was working full time. I have a toddler. We have a traditional business. I have a lot of things on my plate during that time. But I think it was because I really wanted to like do something or build something right now that could, eventually be my corporate exit strategy. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
Um, so somehow I was slowly building it on the side. And I was only allotting like 30 minutes in a day to an hour. And until eventually I was able to increase it to 2 hours. And now, even if I'm doing the business full time, I only allot 3 to 4 hours in a day because most of the time I spend it with the kids and the family, right? So, my advice to you, if you're scared, just start and try, because what if this is the very thing that could, change your life too, just like how it changed our life, our family's life. What if this is exactly what your family needs, especially for, working parents or for parents,
Mhm.
right? You will never know if you don't try the business. You'll never know if it will work for you. You will never know if you will be successful in this business. Anyway, the webinar is free. Do check it out. From there, you can decide if, this business is for you or not.